What is happening, everybody, and welcome back. Sunday Night Live with Oscar Ramos. And I think today we're going to have a fantastic night, Welcome, Francisco. What's happening, brother? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Wow. This is what it feels to kind of see the beginning of probably something really well. I don't want to jinx it. And I'm here just to admire, see, and just tell you what's going on, basically. Let's see what's happening in the month of October. The poll is up. You tell me what you believe. You tell me what's happening, guys. Let's see what in the world is going on with altcoins and crypto and Bitcoin. We are doing well. Started at 5 p.m. Central Time. It's about to be 7 p.m. So 2 hours later, in the 1 hour, we see a massive rally. In the 15 minutes, we start to see a little bit of a consolidation, but it could also mean a bull pennant. So cheers to everybody. What is going on? Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel, turn on those notification bells. We're just here, ready for what crypto is going to throw at us. Cheers to all. 28,000 Bitcoin. This is great. This is the highest price we've seen in the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, this is the highest price we've seen for the price of Bitcoin. Sub Oscar, I know. Finally, a pump in the price of Bitcoin that we much really deserve it. Let me tell you the truth. Like, we've been wanting it. And I just tweeted, I can smell it. I think a lot of people right now are just kind of super in a desire mode that we just want some green. We deserve some green. We've been waiting a lot of times to see some great moves, right? And I mean, at the end of the day, it's hard for me to tell you with exact precision what was the reason why we pumped. It might have been some of the shorts that I have right here. This is what just happened today at 5:45 p.m. You're seeing right now on the screen. 400 million Bitcoin shorts liquidated, 200 million Ethereum shorts liquidated. Why? Because they were expecting some very bad prices for the price of Bitcoin, and they just got destroyed. That's what occurred. Shorts are getting slaughtered. Correct. This is basically what's going on, because a lot of people thought we were going to go lower. And to be honest with you, I mean, that was not a bad assumption. But for some reason, right now, we're looking at 28,000, and I'm super loving it, guys. Sub Oscar, hope all is good. Crypto Dreamer, welcome. Everything's great right now. Everything's right now focus going on. And I think we're loving really what the market is doing. We're looking at a 3% pump that I think, realistically speaking, for a lot of us, we know we can immediately go down as fast as we just went up 2 hours ago. But I don't want to jinx anything. We deserve this, guys. We much really deserve it. And I'm just going to be here with you. It's early, right? 7 p.m. It's early here in Central Texas. Typically, I wait about an hour from now to go in the live, but I decided to see who was here and have fun with you, everybody. So let's get everybody here on board and just shoot, because people are happy. And I'm checking my Twitter here on one side of my computer, and I just kind of want to see how the vibe of a lot of people feels, when it comes to crypto, because I don't think people are still reacting to this price pump, and the price is rising right now. The price is rising right now. Francisco Gabriel.crow, thanks so much for that retweet. Let's go, Oscar Ramos YouTube Live, see what's going on in the market right now. Thank you, Francisco. You're an MVP for coming in and letting everybody know on Twitter. Thanks so much, brother. Cheers to the price of Bitcoin that is rallying right now, finally on a live. Dude, we much really deserve it. We much really deserve it. You're holding 420 million Shiba Inu, morning all. So a lot of people watching us not here in the United States. So happy that you're here. And wherever you guys are watching us from, well, I think this is the 15 minutes. So why don't we go ahead and go to the 5 minutes, right? I'm gonna remove the Bollinger Bands because honestly, they're not helping me too much right now because there's a lot of trading going on. Just 3%. Take a look at this. For the price of Bitcoin right now is 1.11 trillion. So 6 to 7% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin right now is at 28. It basically means that something that we haven't seen in the month of September has occurred, and it could be that the rule is being respected. What do I mean? Well, we talked about how. Let me go ahead and bring it for. I'm gonna leave this one right here. I'm gonna bring it just soon, which is October. I saved it somewhere here. There you go. The Bitcoin returns. I got it. Here it is. The quarterly returns, the monthly returns. This is kind of what we wanted. And in 2023 so far, it's the green. That's what everybody's expecting. That's what we are all waiting for. So we're starting real well. I'm not expecting Bitcoin to break over $35,000, to be honest with you. But if it does, then the rule continues to behold that October is going to be one of those months that it's so dearly held by all the investors. I want to tell you something. There's always a chance for Bitcoin to do this. I want to be very clear with everybody watching right now. There's all the opportunity for Bitcoin to do a massive crash of about $1,000, right? In the 15 minutes, we know that when you go macro, it's just another retracement, but there's nothing that guarantees that the price of Bitcoin is not going to go higher, right? Because there's so many great news that guarantee that Bitcoin has to be and can be $100,000 right now. But by looking at the charts and everything, they're sending immense sell pressure at huge resistances on top. That whatever is happening right now, it's just us as spectators. That's it. We're just watching and seeing, okay, hopefully it's going to continue rising, but anything can happen. I'm telling you, it's all speculation. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just here like you, enjoying the rally. And it's a beautiful Sunday, everybody. So welcome. How are you guys doing? If it goes down, if it goes up, I'm just happy to be here because everyone, how many times we talked in the month of September about holding diamond hands, look at the future, halving is coming, right? So many great things for me not to enjoy these times. Nah, dude, always we like to take these moments with the community and just have a conversation, everybody, right? It's good. We're so back. Some people are saying, let's go. October, more pumps, hold your keys to your coins because the supply shock. I'm just waiting. Like I said, I'm smelling what's going on right now. It's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And look, here on top on Twitter, October and crypto are not trending yet. They're not trending yet, meaning you and I are extremely early. 2 hours ago, we had the pump. We're early. If this continues, if this can be a kind of weirdly shaped bull pennant, then we're going to go higher like this. But we are adjusting clearly every step of the way. We're adjusting clearly every step of the way and see how things are gonna result, right? Whatever happens, we welcome it. Let's go, guys. Now, I also want to take a look at XRP. XRP is following same pattern as Bitcoin. Shiba Inu has been a little bit more stable. Did go up, but I believe not by a lot, just by 2%. So Shiba Inu is not moving so much. How about Cronos? Cronos like 1 or 2? Yeah, 1 or 2%, not much. Ethereum is the one that did go a lot by 4% plus, so even higher than Bitcoin. Then we have Pepe. Pepe also did a nice one recently, 5%. Pepe did a 5% right now. How about Dogecoin? Dogecoin we have at 3%. So as of how about Binance? Binance did a 2%. And who do we have here? Solana was doing really well, actually. Where's my Solana? Here. Solana did it really well earlier, 6%, 7%. So, and the Bitcoin market cap is actually doing decent going back at 50, going back at 50. So, not only Bitcoin, but more cryptocurrencies are moving along, and I'm just loving it. The poll is up, everyone. October is here. Are we doing October or same as September? This is going to be another Bart Simpson, right? Chart where it pumps, it brings our dreams alive, and then it drops on us because people are always selling and the whales are here. What do you guys think? Tell me, of course, in the comments right now. October usually happens on election year. And guess what? 2024? Yes, it's coming very, very soon. So I do believe that we do have that for us in the crypto space. Right now, we have a bunch of here in the United States, which are the debates, right? So that's also moving the markets. Absolutely. Who is going to be the next president of the United States? That's also moving the markets a lot. Hmm. Ooh. Oh, look, Eric tweeted. Let me show you this one, everybody. To all my Crow fam, good morning to October. Let's go. Loving it. That's Eric, the COO of crypto.com. And we can see clearly how, 3% in the last 24 hours for October is really good. Like I said, guys, let's go back to the 4 hours here. The last 4 hours here, boom. Now, it's really a matter of if we are going to continue rallying, right? Because we can have these kinds of pumps, but if the pump doesn't follow it and doesn't push through, then, oh man, we're going to go back to September. This is September and August. So let me see. It's been September and August, and it's been dreadful, painful, boring, guys. But the thing is that right here in this time frame, we've have heard of so many different asset managers wanting to come to Bitcoin to offer their Bitcoin ETFs. We've heard how many times the SEC, Gary Gensler, he has been defeated, how many times he has been wanted to be removed. So just one of those good news happens to occur and be true on a timely fashion. What we're doing right now, 3% is going to be absolute peanuts to what's ahead of us. I'm just going to leave it at that. It's just the reality. It's the reality. This, it's been the last 2 months. This, it's been the last 6 months. And even since the beginning of summer 2023. I'm going to clear everything right here for a second. So what you're seeing right now on the screen, guys, it's once again Bitcoin trying to come to May 2023. May 2023 would drop all the way to 24, then once to 31. So this is a level that we can easily be at with no problem. The thing is breaking that level. So right now, I wouldn't be surprised if in October we get to $30,000. I wouldn't be surprised. That wouldn't get me as excited as if we break $32,000 Bitcoin, because fellas and ladies watching, we haven't broken $32,000 since last year. It's been over 12 months since Bitcoin hasn't passed this level. So let me go and bring back all my charts. Now you can tell, it kind of makes a little bit more sense. This is the level that we've been right here in July, August of 2023. So it was too good to be true in the summer to continue rallying, because we're still far away from what we call the Bitcoin halving, right? What we call a major bull market. One of the things that you have to put in your in your list, where's my here? So we have Bitcoin ETFs approvals. We have Ethereum ETFs approvals. We have Gary Gensler firing. We have new White House administration, right? We may be having a new president, so that's going to also influence. We have inflation. We have inflation that at 2%, it's coming closer and closer. What do we have? 2 and 17 plus trillion in asset managers that want to have their own Bitcoin ETFs. But this is money that it's ready to be welcomed, right? Like it's the total money that they hold. But they're just to give you an idea, all the $1 trillion levels that are saying yes to Bitcoin. These are some of the reasons I can give you right now, and there's more reasons, right? There's so many more. I mean, the list goes on, right? Because once Gary Gensler is fired, I just remember a couple more. Let me give you more. As more people are coming to the live, welcome everybody. This is Sunday Night Live. My name is Oscar Ramos. If this is your first time here coming in, we talk about crypto every day. I'm myself all the time, and I mean, sometimes I'm super late, sometimes I'm super early. But I think where I want to get to is, I know we're going to see the bull market once again. We had it in 2021. We're going to have it once again in 2025 or earlier, but for sure 2025. And a few people here watching, or all of the people watching right now, are going to enjoy with me financial freedom in our portfolios. But it depends what you did in the bear market. Listen to me. This time is good. Whatever happens to the price today, it is what it is. We don't have too much control. But if you did your due diligence in the bear market, that's it. That is it. Not in the green when everybody comes and everybody's excited. It's so easy to do that. But it's not easy to go against the grain and defeat the fears. That is FUD. Welcome aboard, everybody. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing. Just remember of a couple new ones. Fruit and veggies. How you doing, everybody? Welcome. So I remembered about lawsuits, right? So we have Coinbase, we have Binance, and we have XRP. I think with this list, it's all that we need to know. To be honest with you. Here's really a great scenario. So a bull market is guaranteed, easily guaranteed. All the Bitcoin ETFs are approved. All the Ethereum ETFs are approved. Gary Gensler is fired. Joe Biden leaves. Inflation is at 2%, meaning that all of this money is now in the hands of, obviously, I think the leaders of these asset managers now have access to the Bitcoin ETFs, and the Coinbase, Binance, and XRP lawsuits are dropped and defeated by the crypto industry. At that point, that is the recipe for a massive bull market in the crypto space. That's it. That is the recipe for success. But it's not going to happen all at once. It has to happen little by little, slowly but surely. And when it does, I think you will know how privileged we were to buy it at this time, guys. It's just what it is. Quinn, happy to see you all. We had over 2 painful years. It was painful, especially 2022 for sure. But I like that because I was able to get great positions at magnificent prices. Otherwise, how in the world are you going to become, mega rich if you're buying crypto before the bear market? It just doesn't make any sense, right? It doesn't make any sense if you're buying crypto while everyone is buying it. No, you have to buy it when people are leaving. That is the key. That is the key for everything. I can smell it for sure. And everyone right now, when it comes to crypto, it's all welcoming. We're looking at neutral. Reason why is because it's early, right? Oh, I believe there's a new update. There it is. Now it's 50. It was 40 something. Now it's 50. So this rally, this 3% rally that we just had, it must continue. It must continue, right? That is the only rule. It must continue. Because if it doesn't, once again. But I mean, we couldn't have a better start to October than this one, right? I mean, come on. Whatever happens, I'm okay with you guys. I'm okay. Thanks for all your hard work. Thanks so much, Curtis. Appreciate your words. Thank you. Thank you. Peace and prosperity to the family. Thanks, Quinn. You're always coming in strong. September turns to green unexpectedly. What if same unexpectations happening in October, right? Oof. You're telling good stuff. Don't you feel betrayed by the Shibarium team? What they did was hard while burning up to 25,000 before the actual burns. Shiba Inu, it's a token that I think is gonna surprise a lot of people. We've been talking a lot about Shiba Inu and about other ones. The way it starts always is first Bitcoin season, then we do Ethereum season, and then the altcoins follow. That's the way that I've seen it with my own eyes in 2021. So everyone, myself included, this is good because the first step in the right direction to see green is for Bitcoin to rally. That's the first one. Without that, it's very hard to have altcoins just rally all of a sudden on their own, right? On their own. 77% of people are saying yes to an October, and I'm ready for it, to tell you the truth. It's time. Now, let me show you something, guys. So this is what's going on. We have 7%, 0.7%, 2023. It's the first day of October, and we are already at 0.7%. The last Octobers, right, we've had mostly green. In 2017, 47%, 2013, 60%. So can this one be a very good one? Because if it does, then the quarterly might also be green. And we're looking ourselves to a great end of 2023. And that'll be great stuff. Been watching you for a while. Don't worry. All the haters, they're all here like me, lazy to do all the research. Thank you. No, I appreciate that a lot. There's a lot of it here, and I just gave you a list of reasons why. Even the XRP team, they had a party in New York to thank everyone for all the constant support, and that's I think something very good to have because it's been hard. It's been difficult to withstand and hold for such a long time. To tell you the truth, it's been hard, but it is what it is. We'll take it, and I'll take it for everybody. That's why we're here in the October, and I'm taking a look at everything that's going on right now on oh, there it is, finally trending, because I mean a lot of people were using it. Oh, look, and one of my videos right there that I just posted for you guys is doing well. So this is what's happening. This is also something I tweeted 8 hours ago, which is a color view of the market. Let me go away for just a second so you can take a look at this. This was 2021. So this is 2022. This has been 2023. And we are, what it seems, at the end of the cycle to finally start. But this, my friends, pay attention to this. Is this a sucker rally? Is this a disbelief? Because that's exactly why I started my video earlier right now before the live. I was like, this is too hard to believe. This is too good to be true. When will the dump occur? That's the first thought that comes to my mind. Like, come on, guys. Every single time Bitcoin pumped in September and August, it dumped immediately, right? Or a few days later. So Can October be a little bit different? And if the answer is yes, then you got your answers right there, guys. And I think that will be awesome for everyone, for sure. Brady, what's going on, Brady? Happy to see you here. What are your thoughts on Terra Classic? We made a video earlier today. Go ahead and take a look at that one. It's a community that is not giving up. I'll put it like that. Not giving up. Whatever happens to Terra Luna Classic, I'm happy that Binance and CZ still support it. I think that's what matters a lot, to tell you the truth. Blue collar Jose, what's going on, brother? Member for 22 months. You are an MVP. Do you think this pump is going to continue all month or dump at some point? That is what we're investigating right now. It's all speculation. Once again, when I started YouTube and when I was doing crypto in 2021, and I'm gonna say it slowly, right? Because it cannot emphasize how true this is. I didn't know what I was talking most of the time when it comes to the cycles, right? I knew about the tokens, but I didn't know about the cycles. And 2021 altcoins, they had so much to lose, right? The reason why I mentioned this is because now that we are at the end of the cycle, the one that I just showed you, all of the pumps we have on the back of our minds, this idea of the dump is coming. Here, the dump is coming. But as we approach 2024 and after halving, that's not gonna be the case, because after a pump might just a pump continue and that's it. So right now, as we're seeing right now, 27,900, I hope this could continue, but there's a big chance sellers might want to come in and eat everything that we are very happy right now. So thank you, Blue Collar, for your kind support. You're being incredible, and that's why you are a mod, brother. That's what you are. You're a mod, not financial advice, of course. Should all have sell when they was keeping the party. Have you ever looked into internet computer? I have ICP. I never own it, but I think they're doing some good stuff. I don't own any ICP, but what I've heard is it was decent in price last bull market. Now it has dropped a lot. Yes, it has. I'll go back here just a second. So for sure, October now it's trending, and that's really good. I'm gonna come here, and we have 2.97% in the market cap, 3.27% in the volume. So right now, volume is growing. Tether immediately winning easily, and then we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, some other different ones winning, right? When it comes to the cryptos and the volume. So right now, altcoins are still not yet moving. It's just merely Bitcoin, the one that's kind of making the splash. Chainlink actually 7% in the last 14% in the last 7 days. So that is really, really good. Come on, Bitcoin. That looks like a bull pennant to me. It is doing what a bull pennant does, and I think it will be fantastic to see maybe at 28,500, 28,300. That will be so awesome. This is what an Oscar pump looks like, right? We missed it so much. Guys, in the Terra Luna Classic days of 2022, you and I were here live almost every day during the night when we had incredible Terra Luna Classic pumps, when we had some Pepe pumps, some Shiba Inu pumps, some few Cronos pumps. So just a reminder, right? They're coming. Those pumps are coming in about a year from now, because 2023 is the exit of the Bitcoin support levels. Once again, 2023 is the exit of the Bitcoin support levels. Right now, this is support level. This is nothing. This is nothing. The price right now of Bitcoin is peanuts. It's the bottom. We're not going to go back to 15,000 Bitcoin. I don't think so. We passed that. Now, the question is, can we finally break that 30 and beyond? And it's going to occur no matter what. It's going to happen. And for that, 28, 29 are first. And you better be ready, because a lot of people are going to be here watching us and enjoying some great content of crypto, because you can only imagine all the work that it was put up and it was done in these last 3 years, 2 years and last year. There's been a lot of progress in crypto, guys. Great. The bad people are going to jail. Some people, already prison and so more. Even cleansing Twitter too, for the scams and rug pulls. We're living a much better and safer community than we found it in 2021. I think that's true. So as we head to 2024, 2025, I'm expecting a lot of people to know what great crypto education is. But guess what? We'll have to do our due diligence. Now, you and me, we're going to be the teachers of the new million level people that are going to arrive once finally the bull market starts. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing. Welcome back and welcome aboard. Emily, super happy to see you all. It's been extremely low, but a lot of others on top of, we had slow times. Waiting is always hard to do. Ding and hold on for sure, Emily. Happy to see you here. Some of my mods and great fans, and everyone. It's the names. I know you guys. I remember you, all of you. Luis, happy to see you, Luis. Let's go. Thanks for the positive vibes and perspective. T, thank you so much for being here. That's always good. As the Senate, Peter, as the Senate are getting ready to frustrated with Gary Gensler, it wouldn't surprise me if his removal is the catalyst for a bull run. It's just so important to understand what you just said, and that's why I have it on my list here. Let me go back to this 1 week. Here it is, right? Because Bitcoin ETFs are going to get approved no matter what, but it could be even easier, and the industry could be even better as Gary Gensler leaves. Guys, we talked about it this week. We had a lot of people watching that and enjoying the content. How many people, including Democrats, like Republicans and Democrats, grilling Gary Gensler, right? Because the point is, he's trying to govern on its own. He's using the SEC as the main police chief. And that's not the way it works, because you need a lot more people to see if what's right is what you're saying, right? And obviously, we don't want the senators and everybody there in Congress. I believe they don't want to leave all the resources and talent to other countries. That's the beautiful thing about a free market. What? That if a country doesn't welcome you with great tax brackets and benefits, and you have opportunities to build your business, you just leave, and that's it. And that's what a lot of people were doing. Not only companies, but the people. And if you keep doing that, you're going to end up not being the leader of a race, which is a crypto blockchain race. And one thing I know about the US, that's not the way the US always wants to play their battles, right? The US always wants to be the number one. And that's in the hands of Gary Gensler too, and whoever is leading the SEC. We have to be clear here. I'm not saying that I'm not for regulation or clarity and compliance. Crypto.com, go ahead to the page. They're the leader of compliance or regulation. That's what they say on their website. But when you are literally hurting the industry, not giving explanations and just issuing lawsuits like pancakes, that's not proper compliance. And that's what's going on, right? That's what a lot of people are really mad and unhappy with Gary Gensler. So welcome everybody and cheers. We're having fun here because in the last, what is it? Roughly 1 hour, the price of Bitcoin hasn't done anything. But I have over 140 people here watching, waiting like me for something. We're just waiting. We're just waiting and see what's gonna occur. To be honest with you, I'm gonna put my glasses on because it's late and my eyes have seen so much. And do I have? I don't have nothing to clean them. It's okay. It happens. How's going on, everybody? Happy to see you all. Hi to you, Francisco, Gabriel. Let's go. Your last live I caught was that she pumped back in July. So I'm glad I made it to this one. Thank you, T. Happy to have you here. Oh, yes. July Shiba Inu was crazy, obviously, in expectations of Shibarium too. Gensler just following orders, so smart at the same time, so dumb. He seems smart, the guy. I mean, he worked in great places. You can take a look at his resume, but one of the things I've heard from the news too is that he is a lot of the times helping the big interests, the big donors, the big banks, the institutional money. And I've heard too how banks are saying our users are leaving us for crypto. Our users are not depositing with us because they're finding other crypto financial services. It's getting our business from us. So that's one of the reasons you see Elizabeth Warren, Gary Gensler, and other people going after crypto industry. Just makes sense. Just makes sense, right? You don't have to be a rocket scientist to put, to connect the dots. How in the United States there's a lot of interest and influence, but isn't it awesome that we have people like Elon Musk? I mean, we have people like him going to the border this week, doing a live and showing everybody what the reality is. Sometimes what the media doesn't want to show. I'm so happy we had Elon Musk on our side when it comes to crypto too. So just me telling you, know what? We do have a big battle against those special interest groups and the whales, not letting us, get the bull market we want, but it will get there in due time for sure. Yep, Goldman Sachs, you're right, T. That is exactly what I'm trying to say. That is exactly what I mean. I mean, he knows a bunch of people that it's difficult to break through. Hey, appreciate it, Eric. Always like when Eric likes what I tell him. That's always good. That's always good. Fam, so far, let's take a look at other different cryptos and cryptocurrencies right here. As of right now, crypto pumped the first day of October, but it hasn't done much. We just had nice, oh, look, bone gave a little bit and then came down. I'm talking moving nothing at all. Dogecoin doing a 2% or so, but not much. Solana, so everything. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, right? Cronos doing absolutely nothing, still at 5.1. Bitcoin is the only one that my eyes are fixed on it. It's the one that is gonna share with us a lot of the momentum. It's great for us to see what's gonna be ahead. I'm gonna bring my Bitcoin rainbow chart for me here. Let's take a look at this one. How are we doing? Check this out. This is one I always like to show, guys, especially in times like this. We have 4 halvings, right? First one 2013, second one 2015, third one 2020, fourth one 2024. You're seeing it in front of the screen right now. And each one of them, you can clearly see how after the halving, we have the bull market easily. Sometimes happens immediately after. Other times you have to wait a long time. This one, we waited from, what was it? November 2012 all the way to a year to have, this incredible peak. of $1,000 from $12. So from $12 went to $1,000. That's crazy. Then back in 2016, it was $500 Bitcoin. It went all the way to 20,000, right? Yeah, this is the one that went all the way, I believe, to $20,000 for one Bitcoin. So from $500 went to $20,000. And then 2020, from $6,000 has gone to $69,000. So from 6,000 to 69,000. Now, the lowest we've been was 15,000, which is higher than this 6, which is higher than this 600, which is higher than this $10. Are you hearing what I'm saying, crypto investors, right now watching this live? Which, by the way, appreciate it a lot. Guys, $10, $500, $6,000, $7,000, and $15,000. These are higher lows for Bitcoin. I'm showing you right now on the screen. These are higher lows. It's going algorithmic view. It's going higher and higher. So we have still October, November, December, January, February, and March. We have over 5 months of waiting. 5 months of nothing relevant, maybe, for the price of crypto other than growing little by little by little. What we're seeing right now is nothing. Absolutely peanuts. Oh. Oof. That is the signal. When October is here, you get all these allergies. These are the October allergies, guys. It's getting to me, guys. Cheers and welcome aboard. Happy to see you all back here, guys. Welcome. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. This is what I want. This is what I want. Let's go. Now that we are in the finish line of crypto, that whatever happens here, guys, it's just going to make us a lot of money. That's it. Whatever happens here is going to make us a lot of money. There's just no way for us to lose money right now if you're putting your money in great cryptocurrencies, right? I mean, if you're putting money in Bitcoin, how many Bitcoin does Michael Saylor have? How many? He has hundreds of thousands of Bitcoins, billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin with MicroStrategy. As soon as Bitcoin goes to the accumulate still cheap, which is $30,000 to $50,000, the guy is going to be mega ultra rich. The question is, are you gonna be mega ultra rich than you are right now? Because one thing is seeing news on Twitter that someone just made $1 billion, but if you're not, then you're wasting your time right now, and you should be doing something about it. Right? It is what it is. That's why I cannot and I will not get tired of learning about crypto and showing you guys, right? What I believe it could happen based on the experience, the little experience that I may have in this technology. Because it's true. We have been consolidating in the basically fire sale since August 2022. So 1 year right here, 1 year. If we get to accumulate, which we will, that's going to make the price of Bitcoin $30,000 to $40,000 immediately. $30,000 to $40,000 immediately. Oh man, it's just going to be awesome. It's just going to be great. I'm just excited for the future. You're speaking the truth. That's what we do here, my friend. That is what we do here. Don't forget to vote on the poll right now, everybody. Tell me, we have over 135 votes. It's been 46 minutes, guys, because I want to know what people believe it's going to occur this October, because a lot of people are really excited. We can smell the breakout, we can smell what's going on. And to tell you the truth, guys, I mean, why not? We've been waiting so much. We deserve it. We deserve it. A lot of great people. I mean, I'm checking everything because we're all bullish. First rule of Bitcoin, you never sell Bitcoin. That's what it is. Bitcoin pumping on increasing open interest on Sunday. Why do you guys go risking to realize everything? Oof, come on, baby. Give me some green pumps, please. That will be amazing. That's going to be really what I need, what everybody needs. October, yes, it is. And it's hard to really see exactly why it's running. It's just, it's time. It's time. And we deserve that. 29,000. Let's go. Man, we want to see we want to see some good stuff for us. Anyone that investing into crypto at the prices of now will become millionaires on the next bull market. I have 10 different crypto tokens just on Cronos. I have 30K with 25 coins staking. Guys, Cronos $1 is one of the easiest price predictions in the world. I want you to tell me in the chat right now, what is another easiest price prediction? Tell me the crypto, tell me the price that it is right now, and tell me the price that is guaranteed is going to be at. I want to hear that in the comments right now. I'm telling mine, Cronos, 5 cents right now, $1 later, bull market has to happen. What is yours? Let's go, everybody. Let's go. While we may see some more green here, I want to see that right now happening. We have the first one. Francisco Gabriel, Quant. Are you kidding me? Really? $3,200, Quant? You're gonna give me a heart attack, brother. 3,200 Quant? Are you kidding me? You know how much one Quant is right now, right? One Quant is $91. How is that even possible? That'll be amazing. We have Cronos 1.15. That's great. Cronos at 185. That's great. We have Crow 185. That's incredible. Oof. Dude, Quant at that price level. That's going to make a lot of people extremely happy. I tell you that. Extremely happy. Oh. Nice. Luna 2. Wow. Phantom $5. XRM Solana 50. Ooh, Solana can be easily higher than $50, I think. Higher than $50. Bolt Inu 5 million. Currently a 14 million market cap. Let's go. You're going for KTO, the only token I know that's starting its own CX platform. Peter, that's great. Quant is a unique project tailored to enterprises. It's more scarce than Bitcoin and it's unique. I've seen the videos, bro, and I know that it's like XRP. It's just one of those that everyone is extremely bullish to, and I want to get into Quant for sure. I've seen it. I mean, it does great stuff, and the CEO, the people around it, I mean, they know what they're talking about. So awesome. Bitcoin 125,000 in 2024. I think 2025, six figures has to happen. 2025, 6 figures Bitcoin. It has to be a no-brainer, everybody. It has to be a no-brainer. Bitcoin 6 figures must occur. Because once it does, everybody's going to lose it. Okay. Okay, Bitcoin. We've been waiting for a while. It's been 1 hour. It's been 1 hour. What are you going to do? I have my XD algo here activated. If you guys watch Zach Humphries, you know about XD algo. Well, I have it. And you can clearly see a possible retracement down and a momentum up right here. So it's booming, possible retracement down. So there it is. We still haven't seen a momentum down, something that tells me that it's going to drop. So I'm using all these kinds of indicators to give me a little bit more of an insight, right? Check this out. Just understand, look at all of these indicators. Look at how consolidated we were. And if I add my Bollinger Bands, you're going to see, I'm going to hide the XT algo. Look how closely consolidated we were, but finally a breakthrough. And if tomorrow we are well above 28,000, I think a lot of people are going to be super happy, guys. And that's what we want for sure. With election year, with a new government, new president, the bulls will stampede. Emily, I completely agree with you. We need a new president as soon as possible. Please give us a new president as soon as possible. 4 years tectonic, Captain Tectonic. Don't get me started with tectonic because I'm ready for tectonic to balloon to the moon, to be honest with you. I'm so ready for Cronos Chain to do something exciting. Please. Everybody will want that. Come on, Bitcoin. Help us fly. That is the idea. Let's go ahead and find. So we have cryptocurrency trending. Crypto. Would like to see, here it is. Bitcoin has remained in the green highlighted path of trend pattern price model wonderfully. Crypto surging. Let's go. Bitcoin resistance face off. Cardano power mode. Oh, baby. This is what we wanted to see. Nice surge. And it's going on. So whatever occurs, I love it. Hopefully it can stay there for a while. Hopefully, because if it does, then you and I we're going to be very happy with the outcome we're going to have for sure. Probably not as difficult as you think. Boom. Do you really think it's going up? Well, it was going up for a while. Right now, it's steady but surely. That's what I've said at the very beginning of the chat. That's what I've said. I'm happy to see some good stuff going on, but Bitcoin, it's going to do what it wants. Going to do what it wants. The CEO liked the tweet. We love it. Come on, Eric. Bring the crypto.com back. Now, I'm going to leave it right there, everyone. And for all my Cronos holders, I'm talking right now to all my Cronos holders, to all my Shiba Inu holders, to all the Bitcoin holders, right? Everybody watching here right now. I just have one thing to say to you, and this is it. We survived. We survived. Historically speaking, and I made a video 2 days ago. Historically speaking, times are going to get better now. Times are going to get better now. It doesn't really matter, everybody, if Gary Gensler continues suing companies, or if inflation is not going low enough, or if the war in Ukraine continues, or if the national debt continues to $34 trillion that they just increased the spending, right? Because the government shutdown was going to occur. And this all happened just this month, 2023, September. Cannot believe it. We survived. I don't see us going low enough, or maybe a few dumps here and there, but not really drastic and big dumps that we had before. Because what else is there to break us? Nothing really. Nothing. So whoever is here, I have good news, guys. It might just get better from now. So if you haven't, this will be a good idea. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money, right? Because once you make money, you're not gonna come to Oscar Ramos and give me a part of it. It's gonna be yours and your family only. But it doesn't seem that Bitcoin is gonna go to 20,000, 15,000, 10,000. So not a bad idea because 50,000 Bitcoin is gonna be easy to break. You don't want to miss the party. You don't want to miss the party, guys. That's what it is. We survived, and fortune favors the brave. And we becoming so brave that we can enjoy these type of rallies right now. And I'm excited to what's to come. As of right now, in a quick Fibonacci retracement, we are looking at the 0 to 23. We're closely bouncing from the 23 retracement in this 1 hour, 2 hour rally. If it drops, it's gonna have a more likeliness of going back to the 100% retracement, which is gonna be right here at the 27,000. But hopefully doesn't, because that'll be really, really good, fam. It doesn't matter if it gets better or not. I'll just go bankrupt and homeless because you want to get the good cryptos on time, right? For sure. Love it. And you people see that the closing of contracts, there was 6 billion input. A lot of people inputs. Let me go ahead and pin that comment. Thanks very much for sharing that with us. Appreciate it. Thanks, Peter. Happy to have you here. Welcome. Pack a set. You remember the Oscar pumps? We love it. Tomorrow, when the market US opens, we'll see the grid being candle of liquidations doing a red one. This is a lot of the liquidations right now of a lot of crypto, right? Millions of dollars. So hopefully it continues tomorrow. If it doesn't, well, it's gonna be a difficult October, but still is fine, guys. We continue strong. 168 votes, guys. We have, what are you doing right now? How do you think October is going to be like? 75% are saying October is coming. 24 people say it's going to be same as November. I'll tell you, if this continues like this, consolidated and continues growing to 29, that is good news that we're heading in the right direction. But remember, 2024 is barely around the corner. 2025 is the year for the bull market. 2024 is the, once again, waiting standby. Why? Well, I have this for you. I have so many things to tell you guys, and it's all right here. And I need to go to my desktop. Where is it? It should be this one. Yes. So let me go back to, there it is. And there it is. So this one, you're seeing this one here. So we are right here. We're right here. Everybody, we are literally right here. That's what I'm saying. The bull market, this is going to be 2025. Just wait it out. What's happening right now is the very beginning. You don't want to miss it. Guys. Oh, boy. Going to be more excited for this one. Let's do some Q&A, everybody, as we enjoy just chilling and looking at the pick of Bitcoin doing some nice momentum. Q&A open. Let's go. Opinion on AVX. I don't have AVX, but I know it's a decent one. It's in the top 50 by market cap. The blockchain is being used a lot, and you're not going wrong with AVX. You're not going wrong at all. When Lambo tomorrow, when Lambo, it's happening. You quit cigarettes. That's good stuff. You think Crow will get $2? Cardano did $3 in the previous bull run. Cronos can do a $2, but it's gonna be difficult. And I don't think it's gonna stay there for a while. But it can easily pass $1. I have no question about that. But at $2, you are multiplying the market cap by 2. So it's just going to take so much momentum and a lot of different things to actually occur. First things first, $1 Crow. And then after that, then we'll get there. Buy some quant. It will be in the top 10 in the bull room. Unique project. I will. I will for sure, brother. I have to do it. Too late for Caspa. Caspa, thanks for kind of reminding me about Caspa here. Let's take a look at that one. How's it doing? 5%. It's still running. Caspa, look at this one. Caspa is still running. I mean, I think it has to drop eventually. So when it comes to altcoins like that, I'll just wait when it's down and then buy it when it's high. Buy it when it's down. So when it's high, I sell it. That's my strategy, right? Because Caspa, for sure, I was already too late for that one. Another super bullish project for sure. All right, fam. That's what I wanted to tell you today. There's the 1 hour on the dot. 1 hour. Well, whatever happens, hopefully continues tomorrow. We'll keep you updated. There's a lot going on, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks to all the people who came here to the channel, to the live, to all the members, to all the subscribers, all the new viewers. This was Oscar Ramos, Sunday Night Live. Wanted to keep you updated. I started early. It's 8 p.m. early, so let's see what's going on. Follow my Twitter down below in the links. And I'll see you next time, everybody. Thanks for coming in. To everybody and all the members and moderators. I got to recharge for tomorrow. It's going to be crazy, but we're here. Peace. Let's go, guys. Take it easy. Bye.